Welcome to our exploration of the vital role softening units play in engine performance. In this video, we will delve into the significance of these components and how they contribute to the longevity and efficiency of your engine. So, softening units, often referred to as lubrication systems, are integral parts of engine design. Their primary function is to reduce friction, heat, noise, and the accumulation of dirt and rust, factors that can compromise engine performance and lifespan. So, the lubrication, primarily achieved through the use of motor oil, is essential for maintaining engine healthy. By addressing friction, softening units allow engine components to move freely, minimizing wear and tear while extending the lifespan of the engine. While there are numerous types of motor oils available on the market, they share several common benefits. These include minimizing dry heat, lowering operating temperature, reducing noise level, cleaning dirt from engine parts, preventing rust and corrosion, and finally ensuring that the engine operates with maximum efficiency. So the impact of softening unit on engine efficiency cannot be overstated. By reducing friction and heat, these components not only enhance performance but also contribute to the fuel economy, allowing for the smoother, more efficient ride. So this is the main use of softening unit in engine. Now we will look at key engine components related to oil. We are diving into the crucial components of an engine that relate to oil. Understanding these parts will help you appreciate how your vehicle operates smoothly and efficiently. So let's start with the oil pan, or we may call it sotto coppo in Italian actually. This container is vital as it holds the engine oil, which is essential for lubricating the engine's internal component. A well-maintained oil pan ensures that your engine has a sufficient supply of oil during operation. Next up is the oil filter. This component filters the oil before it circulates through various engine parts, removing impurities that could damage the engine. Always, what we should remember is there is an oil or something like that, there must be filtered, because it's hard to make the machine regulate with impurities. A regular replacement of your oil filter is crucial for maintaining the longevity of your engine. Now let's talk about the dipstick or libello. This handy tool is used by drivers to check the oil level in the oil pan and access its cleanliness before starting the engine. So we always check the cleanliness and the amount of oil in the oil pan by using dipstick or this libello. Remember, checking your oil level regularly can prevent serious engine damage. So we have to check it all the time. The oil gauge. is another essential component located on your dashboard. This gauge monitors oil distribution and pressure once the engine is running. So keeping an eye on the oil gauge can alert you to potential issue before they become major problems. The other is a oil pump. So oil pump, this component is responsible for pumping oil under pressure to the upper parts of engine for lubrication. So the oil have to go to upper section of the engine. We need oil pump. Oil screener acts as primary filter to block dirt from entering the upper engine component. It's more like oil filter. And finally, we have oil gallery. Is an area within the engine where oil circulates to lubricate different parts. So the whole area that oil circulates is called oil gallery. Next, we see precaution for softening components. So the first is check engine oil. We can mention 2 points in here. The first point is frequency. We should regularly check oil level before every long trip or as part of routine maintenance. The second point is cleanliness. Use a dipstick to access the oil color and consistency. Here, a dark, gritty oil may indicate contamination. And the second is change oil filter. Here we can mention timing. We should change the oil filter with every oil change or as recommended by the vehicle manufacturer. That means the manual. And to ensure optimal filtration and engine protection, we should use high quality filters. The third precaution that should be taken for softening unit of an engine is monitor oil pressure. What we can mention here is gauge observation. Regularly monitor the oil pressure gauge during engine operation. And here, low pressure can indicate potential issues like leaks or pump failure. So if the oil pressure drops below the recommended level, what you should do is stopping the engine immediately. You should take this action immediately. So we can also mention another more precaution like regular oil change. Here there are different types of engine oil out there, so we should use the appropriate type of an engine oil as specified in the vehicle's manual. And also we have to check the leaks if there is any. So this is all about today's section. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next section.